Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl D Washington. Coming to you for another exclusive YouTube video about hashing ad space. Um, I've been in this company for a good while. They just launched not too long ago. Um, they have a platform back here where you can actually post any ads that you want, advertise any products that you're involved in such as businesses and different things that you can post back here for advertising. But the main thing I'm talking about is the minting ads. Um, each and every day, I go on this account and I mint ads per day. Now, as you can see, I don't have nothing but one referral. Not that I know if he's doing anything. But right here, you can start minting ads just like that, and you watch these ads and you'll see there's people posting different information here. Connect, click, and earn. These are different people's ads that they're promoting. Um, However, once it's done, once you view the ad, you complete and you go on to the next ad, or you can go back to, let me see here, back to the window, and you will see right here that you got 1 out of 7 ads completed. So once you complete it, you will earn a SAMI from a completing. There's my available balance right there. There's 72 minting ads that I've minted since the whole time I've been in this process. I haven't really been in doing it, but now that it's launched, I've been, doing more and more every day, and I increase my total mint ads by staking a SAMI. So each time that you stake a SAMI, you get more advertising ads to view, and that creates more SAMI for you. So basically, what you do is, to get involved with this, you sign up for a free account. Then you will automatically be able to do 1 ad per day. And then you want to go to the Get It Started guide, which will have all the details and video trainings for you, especially when it comes to getting in a wallet with Waves. You have to have a Waves wallet to buy a SAMI. And when you buy a SAMI, you can use that to purchase these products right here. Or you could purchase staking, which that will allow you to mint more ads and watch more ads per day. And let me go here real quick. You got it? Okay, let me go down here to advertising, and sorry, let me go down here to advertising and go campaign setup. Admin setup. Okay, so you can see right now that I have 52,200 available impressions. So you put the name of the company right here. It'd be better if you had like, a system where, it has like Conversion Pro or a Builderall system, where that you could be able to post a legitimate website right here, and the name of your company and destination URL, and then you could put on here how many impressions you want people to view, so that you can have a good, reliable, source, and when they click on your ad, they could be able to go into that ad and be able to fill out their name and email address, and then you'll be able to capture their lead. So this is the key to to being able to promote. And you want to put good ads on here, because look, guys, let me go back here, because some of these ads are really, kind of crappy. Some of them, they're not really good. Somebody just throw a link on here, and it doesn't explain nothing. Some of your ads, you want to have good. If you want to get good leads, you want to have a good video at least explaining what the program is about. So that's why I say go to either Conversion Pro or Builderall and have like a little system build up for you, where you could be able to, they can, when they see that ad, they can see a video and it'll catch their eyes. So right here, let me go back here, because I got 6 more to do. And I'm going to give you some more examples of what, like this right here. You can go here, um, and you can learn more. Maybe there might be a video, but you can read the information, but it's just really, basically people are just throwing their links on here, and it's just not hidden behind. I'm going to see about a good one. I'm going to see, hopefully a good one will pop up. So I'm going to go to next ad so I can explain to you what I'm talking about. Right here, there's something that you could play. There's crowdfunding guaranteed. See, there's a video you can play.
Crowdfunding here. Crowdfunding
And
there.
let's see about join now. Okay, so they do, it's directly to a website. But I was looking for more like somebody that has a leading capture page system. So I'm gonna go to the next ad. There was one that caught my eye yesterday that was really cool. Okay, so they got the Z Black card. Okay, you see this. I've seen this before. They got that still going on. You can place anything you want right in here. So this is huge. So I'm gonna complete that ad. Go to the next window. Okay, I don't know what this is. Fabit, Bitcoin mining made for fun. I guess it's a game. So, I mean, anything you want to post in here, you pretty much can. But I was hoping that I found something that had where you had to enter your email address and, all that. You can actually put a capture system back here to promote versus you just throwing a link on here like this, such as this, and be able to, you want your ads to be good. I mean, if you paying the money for your ads, you want your ads to be good. So I'm gonna go to the next, no, not the next window. Um, Next ad. Okay, they got another referral program and everything. This is pretty much not what I wanted to see. Um, I wanted to kind of just see if I could see one with a capture system, like they was running a system in the back office where you can just be able to put in your email address and everything. But that's how you do it. You could do it this way, or you can do what I told you to do. you know Make sure that you have a funnel system, because otherwise you'll be going into this naked to promote your business. You won't know who's clicking on your information. You won't know who's signed up, and you won't be able to have anything to come back to. So that's pretty much it. Let me see right here. Okay, let me go back to the dashboard. As you can see, I got 6 out of 7, so I'm just going to go one more. Maybe I'll see something. Okay. Of course, you might even run into a blank page or messed up URL. Let's see here. So right now you can see right here is another traffic force thing. I mean another advertising link where people can go here, and I don't know what this is all about. But it's better to have, let me complete this ad. It's better to have a capture system back here. Excuse me. It says congratulations, you have met all your ads today. So right now I will see that I have 7 out of 7 done, and it will show tomorrow my Asami. And I will come back here and make another video tomorrow and show you how much I've earned. Tomorrow I should have enough to get another Asami steak in, and I'll have 8 ads to do then. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is where you can actually use to advertise your own products. You can put banner ads. You can put pretty much anything you want. If you sign up today, you go to the Getting Started guide right here, and it will explain to you how to get a Waves wallet, and it's pretty simple. All right, so guys, you take it easy, and I'll talk to you soon.